Hey guys, Stephen Maxwell with Funtown RV again. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Sundance Ultra Lite 294 BH. Let's go take a look. Alright guys, this Sundance is going to be coming with the front electric jack on the tongue, going to make it so much easier hooking up, unhooking from the truck, getting your camping trip started. It is going to come with the 2 propane tanks with the dual cover, going to keep it out of the elements, keep them from rusting, and hopefully you can use that propane for the entire trip. Back alongside here, you do have your pass-through storage area that is going to have a motion-activated light for easy access. It does have linoleum flooring in there, so it does help with tougher weather situations. The Sundance is going to come with a really nice awning. It is going to be the Solaire brand power awning. They do have an auto retract if they have some rain weight on them. That weight will push down, let some water dump off the side. They do have a nice warranty on them, so anything that happens on the road, you're not going to have to worry about it. This Sundance is going to come with the MoRide step above steps with the adjustable legs on it. They're going to be really nice and sturdy, and they're going to last you a long time for many seasons of camping. It is also going to have your extended latch handle up here, going to give you a lot of stability getting in and out of your camper. Moving along this side of the camper, we do have your freshwater tank inlet and exhaust for your furnace, as well as some 110 plugs over here. You are going to have your spray port on this side that is going to be used as kind of your household water hose for the camper on the road. Back here, we are going to have the Suburban Grill. It's going to be a nice cast iron flat top grill you're going to be able to use for many things on the road. Also, you do have your 12-volt fridge back here. Gives you plenty of cooling space for any drinks or food you want to keep outside. Back here, this unit is going to have the rack and will come with a spare tire on the rear. It does also have the pre-wiring for the Furrion backup cameras. They range with screen sizes 4 inches to 7.5 inches. The Sundance Ultra Lite is going to offer the LCI electric stabilizers in the front and the rear. All right guys, we've touched on the outside. Let's go ahead and make our way inside the camper. The inside of this Sundance is going to have a nice pantry right when you enter the door. Give you plenty of storage, does have motion activated lights and some hanging storage as well. Moving along here, you are going to step into the kitchen. Right here you do have your 3-burner Furrion stove, as well as your oven down here on the bottom. It is going to offer LED lights all over and your oven light down below. You do have a vent-a-hood right above that is going to offer fan and light, as well as your Greystone microwave right above. You can see right above our heads we are going to have a fan that's going to keep some of those exhausts out of the camper so it's not getting too smoky in here. And right to our right we are going to have our deep basin sink with the cutting board cover. Going to give you plenty of space for working whenever you're making those bigger meals for the family. Stepping on into the living room, you do have your adjustable flat screen TV up here. Going to give you plenty of viewing room right here off of the couch. You do have your control panel directly below that is going to have all your controls and your battery cut off. Going to be in a nice centralized area for easy utilization. Furrion radio is going to be right to the left. All of the speakers are going to be throughout the unit and on the exterior. And down here you will have your 12-volt fireplace. It is going to allow for heating, so if you have some of those crisp nights that you don't want to waste all your propane, you can turn this on and it'll keep the camper nicely. Right over here we do have our larger refrigerator inside of this Sundance. Going to give you plenty of storage. You can bring plenty of food for all the kiddos. The Sundance is going to have a larger parallel dinette right here that does turn into a sleeping area. So no matter how many people you need to bring with you, you're going to have a sleeping area in the back for the kids right here on the dinette, and the couch does also turn into a sleeping area. So you can sleep as many people as you need in here. This Sundance is going to offer a nice sized bathroom with a really tall, really wide shower that's going to give you plenty of space for anyone in the family to get nice and clean. The sink and countertop is going to be nice and open, gives you plenty of space. You also do have the medicine cabinet with the mirror. Getting ready in the morning in this bathroom is not going to be an issue at all. This Sundance is going to offer a pretty impressive bunkhouse. You are going to have a full option of 4 bunks in here. with an optional dinette, so the kids do have their own eating and reading area if they need it. If your kids are getting a little bit taller and they don't have quite enough headroom here, this bunk does fold up out of the way and clamp into one position. This RV is going to offer a nice queen-size bed in the master bedroom. You do have your own thermostated AC in the master bedroom in the Sundance, unlike some other campers. One unique feature on this camper is your thermostat is right there above your head. So in the middle of the night, temperature changes, not a big deal. You do have your TV mounting bracket in the bedroom as well, so if you do want to have a little bit of entertainment in here, you do have that option. All right guys, again, my name is Stephen Maxwell. This has been the Sundance Ultra Lite 294BH. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And if y'all have any more trailers y'all want to take a look at, feel free to comment below. And please don't forget, the fun starts here.